So there are the two type of the cell which are found in the living organism. Okay, the first one is that is the prokaryotic cells. What is meant by the prokaryotic cell? Prokaryotic cell means the cell without a nucleus. आता prokaryotic cell म्हणजे काय? Cell without a nucleus म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये न्यूक्लियस नसतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल बॅक्टेरिया. बॅक्टेरियामध्ये आपल्याला प्रोकॅरियोटिक सेल बघायला भेटतो. त्यानंतर आहे युकॅरियोटिक सेल. युकॅरियोटिक सेलमध्ये मित्रांनो काय असते बघा, युकॅरियोटिक सेल विथ अ न्यूक्लियस म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये न्यूक्लियस असतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल प्लांट अँड ॲनिमल सेल. आता प्लांट आणि ॲनिमल सेल हे कोणत्या प्रकारचे सेल आहेत, तर हे युकॅरियोटिक सेल आहेत. त्यानंतर प्रश्न होता, विच इन्स्ट्रुमेंट डू वी यूज टू ऑब्झर्व द सेल. म्हणजे सेलला बघण्यासाठी आपण कोणतं इन्स्ट्रुमेंट यूज करतो, तर वी आर यूज द कंपाऊंड मायक्रोस्कोप फॉर ऑब्झर्विंग द सेल स्ट्रक्चर. Okay, the measurement or observation of the cell which is done by the compound microscope which is seen in this image. In 1673, Anton van Leeuwenhoek assembled the various lenses to construct the microscope. He was the first to observe the live bacteria and protozoan cell under this microscope. So this is the microscope. We will not discuss in depth, just we overlook this chapter. So guys, this is a compound microscope which is used to see the very nano particles or bacteria or any other things which is we cannot see by in our naked eyes. So this is a compound microscope. So let's start our lesson. So guys, this is our lesson, cell and organelles. Cell, every living things in this world, either plant or animal, is made of the very small teeny particle that called the cell. Cell and cell organelles. Organelles means the various components, various item of that cell. Okay, so this is the structure. Okay, these are the structure of the plant cell and animal cell. Okay, so you have to find out the names of the various part of the cell. So I have the new image. From that image you will learn the various name of the part. So let's see. So guys, this is the cell structure, plant cell and animal cell. So both the cell have a some of the parts and it have also a name. Okay, so let's start from the plant cell. Plant cell have a cell wall. Plant cell have a cell wall, but animal cell don't have a cell wall. Chloroplasts are present in the plant cell and cytoplasm which is also present in the plant cell. Okay, then free ribosomes which are present also in a both cell. Lysosome which is also which just also present in the animal cell. Cell membranes which is also present in the both the cell. A Golgi body which is also present in the both cell. Then nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, vacuoles, and mitochondria. So these are the various part and various section of that cell. When we see this cell under the microscope, we will find the various structure and different type of the section of that cell. You will observe and you have to give the name of those cells. Okay, you may write these names there. Okay, then we have to write this chart. Okay, the cell membrane. Okay, look here, this is the cell membrane, this is the cell membrane, this is the cell membrane which is the outer body of the cell, which is the cell membrane. The cell membrane have the both the cell, plant cell and animal cell. So here I have written the present and present in the both the cell. But cell wall present in just a plant cell present, but not present in a animal cell, not present in a animal cell. Then present and absent, which is present in animal cell and which is not present in plant cell, that is a lysosomes. Okay, lysosomes, which is present in the animal cell and absent in the plant cell. So let's see. Okay, lysosomes. Lysosomes, which is also present, which is present in animal cell but absent in a plant cell. Then plastids. Okay, then plastids. Okay, plastids are present in a both the cell. Okay, then present and present, so both there is, we can say that the cell membrane. Then free ribosomes present in the both the cell. Then vacuole present in the both the cell, plant cell and animal cell. Then Golgi complex which is also present in the both the cell. Then mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, which is also present in the both cell. So we have completed this chart. You may write it by pausing the video. You can revise this video for writing your chart. Okay, then who discovered the cell? In 1665, a scientist, Robert Hooke, observed the thin section of the cork under the microscope. In this section, he saw the hexagonal compartment like those beehives. So that compartment called the cell. Okay, so it means you have understand that the Robert Hooke had discovered the cell. Okay, we have seen the various components and various uh, and structure of the cell. So now we are going to look the function of the component of the cell. Okay, there are the first component, that is the cell wall. Okay, cell wall of the algae, fungi and plants. Okay, means the cell wall present in the plant cell, not in the animal cell. So animal cell lack cell wall, म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये lack cell, animal cell मध्ये cell wall नसतो. Cell wall is a elastic and a strong coat around the cell membrane. It is mainly composed of carbohydrate. तो कशापासून बनलेला असतो? कार्बोहायड्रेट पासून बनलेला असतो, like a cellulose and pectin. Afterward, the polymers like lignin, suberin and curtins are added to cell wall as per need. The function of the cell wall are support the protect the cell by preventing entry of the excess water in the cell. Other function काय, it prevent the excess water, prevent the excess entry of the water. This is the function of the cell membrane. Then plasma membrane and cell membrane. Okay, plasma membrane and cell membrane. It is a thin, fragile, म्हणजे खूप नाजूक असते, an elastic covering that separate the cell components from the outer environment. मग तो outer environment ला तो वेगळा करतो, cell आणि outer environment ला. The structure of the plasma membrane, protein molecules are embedded in the two layer of the phospholipids. Okay, आता phospholipids आहे. Plasma membrane is said to be have a selectively permeable membrane as it allows some substances to enter the cell will prevent the other substances. आता प्लाझ्मा, आता सिलेक्टिव्हली परमेबल मेम्ब्रेन्स म्हणजे काय, तर काही पदार्थांना तो आत जाऊ देतो, परमेबल आहे, आणि काही पदार्थांना तो आत जाऊ देत नाही. ड्यू टू दिस प्रॉपर्टी द युजफुल मॉलिक्युल्स ऑफ द वॉटर, म्हणजे पाणी आहे, सॉल्ट आहे आणि ऑक्सिजन आहे, एंटर इन द सेल. आता त्याला सिलेक्टिव्ह परमेबल असल्यामुळे त्याच्यामध्ये बघा त्याच्या आतनं कोणकोणत्या गोष्टी प्रवास करतात, तर ऑक्सिजन, सॉल्ट आणि वॉटर त्यामधून पर्क्युलेट होतात. मात्र कार्बन डायऑक्साईड एक्झिट द सेल, म्हणजे कार्बन डायऑक्साईड बाहेर पडतो. काही गोष्टी एंटर होतात आणि काही गोष्टी बाहेर पडतात. If any changes occur outside the cell, the cellular environment does not change due to the plasma membrane. आणि जर बाहेरचं पर्यावरण काय चेंज झालं तर आत पर्यावरण चेंज होत नाही. तो कशाचं कार्य, ते म्हणजे कार्य आहे प्लाझ्मा मेम्ब्रेनचं. दिस इज अ कंडिशन इज कॉल्ड एज द होमिओस्टॅसिस. Okay, how do substance travel in the cell? How do substance travel in the cell? Okay, so there are the two main methods. First one is the endocytosis method, and second one is the exocytosis method. So what is inside the endocytosis? Endocytosis means to gulp and engulf the food and the other substances from the outer environment. Means it give the permission, it allows the some substances from the outer environment to the inside the cell. So this is called the endocytosis. Exocytosis means it excretes the wastage material out of the cell, means it expel out the some of the wastage material from the cell. So these are the two types. First one is accept and second one is exocytosis, means it expel or it's excrete the wastage material. The process those that don't consume cellular energy. Okay, so there are the some of the process which don't consume the cellular energy. म्हणजे अशा काही प्रोसेस आहेत त्याला एनर्जी लागत नाहीत. कोणकोणत्या, तर डिफ्युजन प्रोसेस आहे आणि ऑस्मॉसिस प्रोसेस आहे. आता डिफ्युजन प्रोसेस म्हणजे काय, तर एंट्री और एक्झिस्ट स्मॉल मॉलिक्युल्स लाईक ऑक्सिजन आणि कार्बन डायऑक्साईड. आता एंट्री और एक्झिस्ट म्हणजे ऑक्सिजनची एंट्री होते आणि कार्बन डायऑक्साईड बाहेर पडतो, त्याला आपण डिफ्युजन म्हणतो. याला सुद्धा एनर्जी लागत नाही. त्यानंतर ऑस्मॉसिस. ऑस्मॉसिस म्हणजे एकंदर पाणी असेल सेलमध्ये, ठीक आहे, म्हणजे जास्तकडून कमी जर वाहत असेल तर हे होऊ शकते परमेबल मेम्ब्रेनमुळे, त्याला आपण ऑस्मॉसिस म्हणतो. आता ऑस्मॉसिसच्या काही तिथं 3 पॉसिबिलिटी दिलेल्या आहेत. कोणकोणत्या पॉसिबिलिटीज दिलेल्या बघा. फर्स्ट वन बघा, फर्स्ट वन इज द म्हणजे excretion process takes place simultaneously. Okay, and second process, water is entering and get out simultaneously. And third process, the water get continuously entering inside the cell. So these are the 3 possibilities. Okay, this is the osmosis in plant cell. So then osmosis in the animal cell, how is take place? Same as like this. Okay, what is the solutions? Isotonic solution means the medium outside and inside the cell has the same proportion of the water. Water does not go in or out. Isotonic solution म्हणजे the medium outside and inside, म्हणजे outside and inside medium याची लेवल कशी आहे, सेम आहे, त्याच्यामुळे water do not allow enter or get it out. Okay, then hypotonic solution. Hypotonic solution means the cell has a less water. सेल मध्ये आतमध्ये पाणी कमी आहे आणि आउटसाइडची जी मीडियम आहे, माध्यम आहे, ते जास्त आहे, त्याच्यामुळे पाणी काय होईल, आतमध्ये पर्क्युलेट होईल. वाटर एंटर द सेल वॉल. दिस इज कॉल्ड ॲज द एंडोमोसिस. एक्झाम्पल, रेझिन्स आर केप्ट इन वॉटर, म्हणजे आपण मनुके जर पाण्यामध्ये ठेवले तरी फुगतात, तर इट इज एक्झाम्पल ऑफ द हायपोटॉनिक सोल्युशन्स. Then hypotonic solutions, the cell has a more water than the outside the medium, so the water came out from the cell. So this is the example of the hypertonic solutions. If the fruit pieces and kept in a thick saturated sugar solution, the water from the fruit pieces enter the sugar solution. So this is the fruit pieces shrink after the foil. If the plant cell animal cell is kept in a hypertonic solution, the waters came out from the cell and process of the exosmosis, and there are the contraction of the cytoplasm. This process is called as a plasmolysis. Okay, then cytoplasm means the cytoplasm is the fluid which is a fluid between the plasma membrane and the nucleus. This is the fluid which is the sticky substances which is found in the onion peelings. If you look the onion peeling, underneath of the onion peeling you will find the some of the sticky substances, that is the cytoplasm. So this is the structure of the onion peeling when you look it inside the microscope. Okay, so it has various components like a nucleus, cytoplasm, vacuoles, cell, etc. Okay, this is not we will look it very deep. Okay, just we will take it the just overlook. Okay, so guys, this is the first video of the